Every time I post phrases on Instagram, I always get this question. Isn't that written as 내가? Hey Kayos, welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. Today you're gonna learn how to say you in Korean in casual speech and difference between 내가 and 네가. First of all, Korean you in polite speech can vary depending on whom you're speaking with. Koreans don't say you, 당신, or calling them by their names if they're older. Koreans go by their titles based on the situations. I won't get into the details here, but in this video, we're gonna focus on you in casual speech. Simply, you is 너, and depending on what particle you add after, 너가 or 너는 you as subject, 너를 you as object, 너의 you're as possessive. In this video, we're gonna pay attention to 너가. When 너 is used with 가 particle, it changes to 내가 in written format. But as you know, 내가 sounds just like this 내가. Koreans also get confused if you say 내가 for this one because it sounds just like the other one. Therefore, this 내가 is only used in written format, and we call this as 네가. Here is the thing, sometimes Koreans also use 네가 in written format, but this is not standard. At the same time, some Koreans may still use 너가 in written format or speaking, and this is not standard as well. How about we summarize what we just talked about? Basically, we're gonna go through three different things. 너가, 내가, and 네가. 너가 can be used in a colloquial speech for both written and speaking format, but this is not standard. When 너 is used with 가 particle, it changes to 내가, but only in written format, and this is standard. However, this is confusing with the other 내가, therefore Koreans use 네가. Koreans use 네가 in colloquial speech for both written and speaking format, but this is not standard.
네가 가진 반짝거림 상상력 아이덴티티 나를 불쌍해 하는 네가 내 눈엔 더 불쌍해 네가 원한다면 내가 돼
Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, comment down below and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!